For all the coffee lovers out there, this one's for you today. We're going to make glutinous coffee rice flan for our video. Let's get started. Three tablespoons sugar. 'We need to caramelize the sugar, but be careful not to burn it, as it can become bitter. Set it aside to cool. 2 cups glutinous rice flour. 1 can evaporated milk. 1 can condensed milk. 2 eggs. 2 teaspoons coffee flavor. 'Mix it thoroughly. If you've reached this part of the video and enjoyed the recipe, do me a favor and please subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our recipes. Use a strainer to make our mixture smooth. Let's now transfer our mixture into the mold. Cover it with aluminum foil to prevent water droplets from getting into our glutinous coffee rice flan while we steam it. Let's steam this for 1 hour. After 1 hour, let it cool first before transferring it to the container. better when served cold. I hope you enjoyed our recipe for today. Thank you for joining me in making this delicious glutinous coffee rice flan. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more tasty treats. See you in the next video, and happy cooking!